blue cheese and Parmesan salmon with asparagus and lemon. Wash and pat the salmon dry. Cut into serving pieces. For the marinade, mix olive oil, soy sauce, paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lime juice. Coat the salmon well with the marinade. Let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, trim the tough ends off the asparagus and peel the stalks. Drizzle with olive oil and lime juice. Season with your favorite spices and grated Parmesan. Place everything in the air fryer basket. Meanwhile, slice the blue cheese and grate the Parmesan. Place the salmon in the air fryer basket, leaving a little space between each piece. Top with grated Parmesan and slices of blue cheese. Now I'm cooking everything at the same time because my air fryer has 2 baskets. If your air fryer has only 1 basket, cook the asparagus first, then the salmon. Cook the asparagus at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, on air fry for 8 to 10 minutes until tender crisp. Cook the salmon at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, on air fry for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your air fryer. A restaurant quality dinner at home. Quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Did you enjoy this recipe? Let me know in the comments.